One eye. Somebody just said my name.
Gone.
Wait, hold on. Let the airplane go away.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, who's talking? Yo, I think it might be all chat.
We can land here. We can land here.
You wanna go to Heat?
Heat's too far.
We can land here.
It is so far.
We can land here. We can land here. We can land here.
Let's go to Kill House.
Go to house, see? I'm done.
We can land here.
We can land there.
We can land here.
Klausy, go, Miguel. Everyone gets one eye.
I'm taking the 2 warehouses.
I'm going big warehouse.
I'm going to little warehouse.
Alright, I think there's somebody above me. I can't tell. You give me M4 so I can hit you with that M4. That's pretty dope. Yeah, let's dip. We got 2 vehicles.
Yeah, I kind of already like this stuff.
I'm gonna ride with my boy, NBA. Alright, to Miguel, Apex, get out of there. You got a vehicle, Miguel? There's 2 over there,
Yeah,
2 more.
Airdrop is coming.
Bet. That's Apex. Pick up Apex too.
Where the hell is Apex?
Where Apex always is. Getting in trouble.
He's in the zone.
Wanna go for upgrade?
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
See if we got any.
Not a problem.
Oh, bro, they're here.
Engine the enemies. Enemy down. Enemy eliminated.
He has a teammate. Let's get him quick. You got traps, NBA? Go ahead and place them on there. I'll watch your back.
Adrenaline shot now.
Oh, they're coming up. Oh, full team, bro. Full team. Get out. Dip.
Get the dog tags and help them return to the battle.
Fuck.
Shimani.
Are they still there, Josh?
Yes, heavily.
So I could run them over with my car? Oh, there's one.
They got me with the.
I'm like, all right, bitch, you know what? I'm trying to maintain my fucking composure. I'm trying to keep from knocking this motherfucking snag-a-tooth ass bitch out.
Ride tech, bro. I'm going over the NBA stuff. I knocked down one of their teammates.
Airdrop is coming.
Alright, where to? We can go
land
to
here.
a state.
We can land here.
Alright. NBA went for the drop. I went to a state. And there's somebody here, of course. Always, bro.
First aid kit now.
Yeah, this is a real player. Oh, why'd I drop in? Well, I'm screwed.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Engaging the enemy!
Ah, fuck. Yep, I'm
Your teammate has been killed.
pulling him on.
Using adrenaline
Oh, he
shot
only
now.
has hemos though.
Josh, do you have whoever's green? Do you have hemos? Need meds.
Using bandages now.
He's up top. Stupid. Oh, who's down? Apex.
Apex. Fuck, not another one.
Alright, I got to meet Kira in. I'm gonna go try to go for our boy.
Using first aid kit now.
If I can find me a chopper,
The airdrop
a
is
vehicle.
coming. The terminal is almost ready.
Alright, Miguel, how far?
The revived flight will
Oh, you're
arrive
pretty
in 1
far.
minute. Airdrop has been delivered.
Oh,
Yeah,
I got chopper.
I actually had to kill 4 players right now.
Alright, I'm about to pick you up, bro.
I need to pick up a fuckload of meds, man.
Come. I got helicopter for you. And let's. Oh, that was NBA. But I thought you were number 3.
Thanks.
NBA just popped off.
We will return to the battle when the next revived flight arrives.
Well done. Alright, so we got the boys back home.
Guys, there's a vehicle up here.
Alright. Yeah, I see some guys. He's below. I got
Engaging the
one.
enemies. Enemy down. Enemy eliminated.
Got one.
Alright, sweet money, bro. Alright, I'm coming inside.
Hey, save me some loot.
Using adrenaline
Or some
shot
stuff.
now.
We got you.
Yeah. Here's some right here, Apex.
Oh, another one down below.
It's here.
Oh, he went in.
2 guys up there, Apex. We gotta move, dude.
Your teammate has been killed. Get the
Took
dog
the
tag and help
NBA
them
out.
return to the battle.
You're something in booty?
Have you been a good boy? I know you have. Come on. Santa's got a surprise for you.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
I only got 7 rounds of AR ammo.
Engaging the enemy.
I hit him, Josh. Dogs at you, Josh.
GG's, my brother. GG's. I told them GG's on the all chat, bro. Toxicity, the teammates coming up.
Watch out, someone's pulling up on a snowboard.
Down to the last 5.
I'm chasing that butt.
Now.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
I'm the shotgun king, bro. I'm the shotgun.
Shotgun versus shotgun.
Yes.
On the revived flight.
Oh, frick. Come on, don't shoot me.
Your terminal is almost ready.
Bro, did I have my ult? Oh, frick, who is that? You know, I'm going for a custom AK. Alright, Apex. Oh, we all got back. Yes, sir.
The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. The safe zone is collapsing.
One of y'all have armor plates?
Oh, yeah. I'm right behind you,
I
bro.
don't have any.
I got one. Because it could be
another good player.
Yeah, one.
I'll take him out with the axe.
Alright, he's not in shed area.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, he got his teammates back.
Up. There's 2 players.
I broke one's vest. I'm about to push.
Shit, watch out. He's trickster. The bridge, guys, the bridge.
Your teammate has been killed.
Merry Christmas, motherfucker.
Shot NBA kid.
Oh, son of a gun. You thought I was gonna say son of a bitch, didn't you?
He got me. I broke him though. Let's go.
Yes, sir.